I think that concludes this opening common lecture. And I think this is a nice way to end with everyone's faces. I can open it up if anyone has anything else they'd like to say or add.
Hi, my name is Brady, and I'm a third-year graduate with the Landscape Architecture Department.
Hi, this is Molly from MLA Class 2020.
Hi, my name is Giovanni Caputo, and I am enrolled in the dual degree BSLA MLA program at Rutgers.
One of the reasons why I chose to study landscape architecture is because I wanted to study something that was creative but scientific and had to do with people and psychology, but also work with my hands and get to build things. And
what brought me to the department was landscape architecture can be many things, and I was interested in urban ag and found that landscape architecture provides an avenue for learning and understanding and designing that.
Here I am at the newest project called Cook's Bounty, and it's a place where you could do your homework like I am here today, eat your lunch, or even pick your own veggies.
MLA was an amazing journey for me. What I liked the most about the program was the faculties are always encourage you to do the things that you are interested.
And so once I got into the program and was surrounded by all the professors that had so many skill sets and helped me understand more of the world around me and what landscape architecture is.
And the best thing I think about the landscape architecture department at Rutgers is the personalization and how much attention you get from professors and how much collaboration there is from peers.